How to start Forex trading in under 3 minutes. In this video, I only have 3 minutes, so I'm going to explain it as quickly as humanly possible, but the goal is to save you thousands and thousands of dollars, as well as to save you years of struggle, so you don't have to go through what I had to go through to figure out how to trade and how to start trading Forex the correct way. So let's go ahead and let's dive right into it. Step number one is that you need to learn the basics, or you need to learn the jargon. When you're learning Forex trading, you're learning trading in general, it's a whole new language. Whenever you learn something new, you need to first learn the language. So what's a pip? What's a lot size? What is, an indicator? All this sort of stuff, you need to learn the lingo first. So there's a couple of places that you can learn the lingo and learn the basics. If you want to look for free, you can go to babypips.com and you have to read. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you read about it. Or you can go to Edge Trading Academy. I'll include a link below. You can get a 7-day free trial. You can sign up for free. You can go through all of it. It's broken down into little 2 to 5 minute videos, so it makes it really, really easy. In my opinion, it's the best trading that's on the market. So you can do either of those, but you need to learn the basics first. Step number 2 is to go ahead and open up a demonstration account, a demo account, not a live account. You want to play with it, practice with it, so you don't lose a ton of money at first, because chances are you're going to struggle at first. So open a demo account with a brokerage. There's hundreds and hundreds of brokerages. How do you know which ones to choose? That's up to you. But basically, you want to look for some that is an ECN account. You want to look for somebody that has live chat support. You also want to look for somebody that has positive reviews online. And you want to look at how many years have they been in business and how many customers do they serve. If you want to know the brokerage that I use, I'll also include a link in the description below, so that way you can use that one if you'd like to. The third thing that you need to do is you need to find a winning trading strategy. And the cool part about trading is it's just like anything. If you want to get a shortcut to success, simply model somebody that's already successful. Look, if my grandma knows how to make the most amazing brownies in the world and you don't know how to make brownies, but she gave you the exact same recipe and you followed it step by step, the chances are you could probably make those brownies. The same thing goes with trading. If you just model somebody that's already a successful trader, then you follow exactly what they're doing, exact rules, exact mindset, everything, then the chances are you can become successful too. So if you're not sure on which Forex trading strategy that you want to use, then also include a card up here on this video, which will include the #1 best Forex trading strategy. It's super, super simple. I break everything in depth. So you can come back to this part of the video and you can watch that video if you need to learn a Forex trading strategy. Okay, after you've got your strategy, number 4 is you need to backtest that strategy. What does that mean? That means look at historical data. You go back and you look at historical data and you want to start trading this. You can use a Forex simulator, or you can just simply scroll back a year in your chart. And I recommend backtesting at least a year so you get familiar and you train your eye with how to use this trading strategy. Your trading strategy should come up with something that would allow for an entry signal. So what are you going to enter on? The second thing is you should see how much money are you going to risk per trade, and then what's going to determine whether you're going to exit as a stop loss or you're going to exit as a take profit. So your trading strategy should incorporate all 3 of those things, but you need to back test it so that way you can start seeing, like, when would I actually enter the trade and how would this play out? And so you can start to become familiar with it. Now, after you've back tested the strategy and you feel confident that, hey, this is a winning strategy, it actually is, then the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to number 5, which is to forward test your small account first. So start with a small amount of live money, or start ideally on a demo account to start. You'd want to start trading a demo account from forward testing first, then move to a small account. And then once you get familiar with the trading strategy and you've got it going, then you can move on to a bigger trading amount. So that's it. That's how to start Forex trading in literally under 3 minutes. If you're brand new, you may want to do what actually helped me while you're learning this skill. You may want to also start earning at the same time. So you may want to consider using a Forex robot while you're still learning the skill and going through Baby Pips or the Edge Trading Academy. So also include a link here on the screen right now, which will also include what to look for in a Forex trading robot. And I'll recommend some good ones that you could use as well. So go ahead, take a look at that video and check out the links in the description. And hopefully this video was helpful.